It is not my opinion as an individual. It is actually the opinion of the executive and the board of Eskom that we should play a role in the new nuclear program. We need to have something to do beyond the current build program, and nuclear is the next big thing. We would like to contribute positively to the new build program for nuclear. So we have been in discussion with officials from the Department of Energy about our role. I think in the building and operation of the new nuclear build program, but more importantly in the operation, because that is a longer term involvement. The construction and the design really is done by an original equipment manufacturer, and the Department of Energy will play a critical role in which of the existing original equipment manufacturers will build in South Africa. I think it is true that we have been having problems with the new Eskom build program, Medupi and Kusile, but I think we've identified quite a huge chunk of the problems. We are dealing with them, and over the next 2 years, you should see progress and improvement in the way that we do capital execution. We are working on it, and I expect that there will not be any further slippages with the capital build program. The funding of nuclear is straightforward as far as I'm concerned. The nuclear plant has a life of between 60 and 80 years. Capital repayment period for the initial capital investment is about 20 years, and just given those parameters, it is possible to fund nuclear as it is possible to fund anything that has a profile like that, a financial profile like that. Nuclear is in fact the cheapest contributor to operating costs at Eskom at the moment by far, and in fact is contributing to lower tariffs. People may feel that the tariffs are very high, but they would be higher if we didn't have nuclear. And so if we can get over the initial capital funding for a very long time, for 40 or 50 years, we will have benefit from nuclear without the capital cost that will have been taken care of in the first 20 years. Koeberg is contributing very positively to our generation mix at the moment, and Koeberg was built in the 1980s and was paid off in about 18 years. It should be possible to fund it. It is, as they say in Afrikaans, eenvoudig. Yes, I mean the technology is very similar, and in fact we have very few people know that Eskom actually has a license at Koeberg to train operators, and is the only licensee out of the United States that is accredited by INPO and WANO to train operators outside of the United States. So not only do we have the capacity to operate the nuclear Koeberg nuclear plant, we also have the capacity to train nuclear operators. And so with the new nuclear build program, we will step up our training as well.